next presenter is Dr. Marek KUKUMBERG from National University of Singapore for breaking the wall of chronic wound management.
Good afternoon. Can you imagine to walk, sit or sleep with constant pain? How about having an infected open wound that you don't feel because your nerves are damaged? This is what patients with chronic wounds experience on a daily basis. More than 34 million people worldwide suffer from chronic wounds. Chronic wounds are wounds that do not heal even after 6 to 8 weeks. They are associated with pain, odor, and even emotional distress. On top of it, many of these wounds, when located on limbs, end with amputations. So not surprisingly, the therapy for chronic wounds is very costly, and the worldwide costs are predicted to increase even further due to underlying diseases such as diabetes. But why is it that therapy of chronic wounds is so complicated? Well, skin is a complex structure, and the majority of chronic wounds goes deep into all skin layers. Subsequently, therapy of such deep wounds requires balance of fluids within the wound environment, and in many cases, infection management as well. So what are our other options? Surface dressings are cheap, but do not provide moisture nor cover all skin layers. Negative pressure devices, they are efficient, but heavy and costly. All other possible therapies require either large amount of cells or decellularized tissue scaffolds from animal sources. So is there a way how to solve all these issues? Our approach is to combine FDA-approved, highly customizable, biodegradable materials, introducing the hybrid wound dressing, 3D printed to suit the individual needs of patients, combined with hydrogel and biofactors, will provide wound stability, moisture, increased cell growth, lower inflammation, and even trigger new vessel formation. Now, you may wonder what bioactive factors I was talking about. Unlike in other approaches, we do not use individual growth factors nor cells such in those direct cell therapies. We use umbilical cord stem cells as a factory and let the cells produce growth factors, anti-inflammatory proteins, and so on, and we harvest them and use them as a liquid condition medium. When tested with skin and connective tissue cells, we observed faster and higher increased cell growth. We also observed a faster wound closure and even formation of thicker skin. So with all these reasons, as well as our calculated lower costs and high efficiency in therapy, we truly believe that the hybrid wound dressing is a great candidate to break the wall of chronic wound management. Thank you.
Are there any ethical issues?
Not yet,
Time
not
is up.
because we are, sorry.
Thank you, Dr. KUKUMBERG.